guys, it's Sean here from Locksmith. I'm on my way to unlock a car and I want to show you how I'm doing that. Alright, so what we have here, it's a Honda Civic 2006. This car is a little bit more difficult to unlock just because the button need to be pushed forward and not back, and there's not a good position to do that because it's two-door. So usually I will just put an airbag here, and with my hanger I will just pull it. But when I need to push forward, I'll have to use two airbags and get a space from this part and then push it forward from here. Let me show you how I'm doing that.